Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Prakash Kanjaria and day 11 how to improve English communication skill with log. The first one, maybe try to my best of the best in a daily. But definitely you are not work of the daily discipline follow in your life. Why? Because you are to other one. Question, I am busy. I am not dedicated to daily based to upload the English log. And definitely you are to 1% in chance you are not improve English log. Day 11 in this very latest news in the education scam, in a election scam. Right? Why? Because there is not awareness of the any one person, of the uneducated person from the undevoted. That is the reality of society. Definitely you try to best of the best version in a day by day improvement. But that is the not important. You are which one following your quotation, which one following your religion. That is the not important. Important for you. And the daily education base content upload in this YouTube channel. But reality is so different. Why? Because the education proposal are not a right ratio differentiations. Literally, you try best of the best version in your life. But how? How can you are not improve your English communication skill with English blog? That is the day 11. I'm not happy first try to my English blog shoot, but I will try it, and I can, and now I can this record English blog. Why? That is the challenge for myself. Okay, and discipline maintain for myself in my diary, and that is my motivation. Not other one person he says that you are to record the English log. Right and wrong sentence I am not matter. My only for 1% improve and next day. That is the reality and the importance of the my education systems. And latest news of the election in Bihar. That is the reality. Uneducated person are to following to anyone other one party. Why? That is the only for one corruption key of the money. Send alcohol, send any gift, voucher. That is the only for 1% or decided to which 1% is good, and you are choose the right politician. But you are not think which one is the best of you. Why? Only for you are to chance is the one day you are a source of income only for one day in a weekly. That is the reality of the election of the Bihar Commission. But I say I am not confirmed for I am 100% pure speak in English. But definitely the day 2 to day 11 that is the improve lots of improvement in human life. That is the reality. Thank you so much. Day 11 is my life lesson learning a day. That is the good and final. Thank you so much. You watch my vlog of day 11. Thank you so much, dear.